Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. This is Ramesh, I'm a PC technician. In this video, we are going to fix quickly the error 0XC00021A error that is showing your PC ran into problem and needs to restart. If you are stuck in this window, don't worry, we can easily fix this error. Okay, to fix that, you need to enter the Windows automatic repair loop. To enter that, power on your computer and while rebooting, again switch off. And again power on, and while rebooting again switch off. If you do like this 3 times, you will get the automatic repair loop window. Now go to troubleshoot option, then go to advanced options. There you will find command prompt. Open that. Yes, if it is asked any password, select the user and provide the password. Now, in the administration of CMD, you need to follow few commands with me. That is, type C:, then press enter. Now type dir, then press enter. So all directories are listed here. So we are now in the operating system directory. Then type dism space image space C:, backslash, then space / cleanup image space / revert pending actions. Then press enter. If it is not working, make sure there is no typos. That is TISM space image. Okay, once you done that, then type exit. Now again go to troubleshoot and select advanced options, then command prompt. There you need to type C:, press enter, then type dir, press enter. Now we need to type chkdsk space / f / r, then press enter. It will ask yes or no, just say y and say and enter. So it will scan for any disk errors for you. So let's be patient. So once it completed, we have to type another command. I will come back once it finished. Yes, the process is now completed. Then move to the next command, that is type sfc space / scan now, then press enter. Again it will scan for other any errors on your system. So let me come back once it finished. Okay, this process has completed. Now the last command is dism space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health, then press enter. So I'm getting an error that is not found, but I'm using a virtual machine to record this video. So in your case, you will definitely get the result. So that's it friends. This is how we can easily fix with the command prompt, that is 0XC00021A error that's showing your PC ran into problem and needs to restart. So now once the all command is typed and executed, then type exit to exit the command prompt. Now just say continue to boot your system. So that's it friends. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get new video notifications on your device. Okay, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.